Good morning everyone. I am Anand Kumar Mitro welcoming you to online class from Uposahar College. I think you are all fine, but there are some problems in nature. It is misty, foggy and cold outside. I think it is disturbing you. In spite of that, you know that it is the season of winter, and I think you are enjoying winter cake, date juice, and various kinds of fresh and delicious vegetables which are now very common in the market and which is also sold at a very cheap rate. So I think you are enjoying winter with a mixture feeling, both with merits and demerits. However, now we go to our main task, that is, we will now learn the second paper, which we have been learning since the introduction of this online class, and I am trying my level best to discuss different items of English second paper with you, and I think you are also learning and sharing your ideas with my opinion, my intelligence, my knowledge. Today I will discuss comparison of degrees, normally or popularly known as degrees. In the previous class, I gave you some idea about degrees, kinds or classification of degrees, then how can we turn a superlative into positive, how can we turn a word into comparative and superlative from positive, and so on. Today, what we will learn is superlative to comparative. So you concentrate on today's discussion. We will learn superlative to comparative. Now you notice rule number 1: subject, then verb, comparative, then any other plus rest of the sentence. So how can we transform a superlative into comparative? We will at first write subject, then verb, then comparative, then any other, then rest of the sentence. For example, Rana is the tallest boy. It is superlative. In the last class, I discussed how we can recognize a superlative degree. Normally, superlative degree is preceded by the. So, it is superlative. Tallest itself is superlative, then there is the. If there is the before adjective, then we can consider it to be a superlative degree. Since it is a superlative degree, we will have to make it or transform it into comparative. We will use at first subject, then verb, then comparative. The comparative form of tallest is taller, then any other, then rest of the sentence boy. So the answer will be Rana is taller than any other boy. In the second example, we see iron is the most useful metal. It is also superlative. Dear students, when you are transforming a superlative into comparative or positive, at first try to identify the degree. If it is superlative, and if we are to make it into comparative, we will use at first subject, then verb, then comparative form, then any other, then rest of the sentence. So iron is the most useful metal. When we will turn it into comparative, the answer will be iron is more useful than any other metal. So I think the point is clear. You notice the rule, and if you can follow the rule, I think the answer will be easier for you. What is the rule? Subject, verb, comparative, then any other, then rest of the sentence. Now rule number 2. Sentence having one of. If it is a superlative degree with one of, you notice then the rule will be a bit different than the first one. Everything will remain unchanged. Only we will use than most other in place of than any other, and other rules will remain unchanged. That is subject, verb, comparative, then most other in place of than any other, then rest of the sentence. So you notice before transforming a superlative into comparative, if there is one of or not. If there is one of in the sentence, then you will write subject, then verb, then comparative, then most other in place of than any other, and finally rest of the sentence. So notice this example. She is one of the youngest girls. The answer will be subject she, then verb is, then comparative younger, then most other, rest of the sentence girls. So the answer will be she is younger than most other girls. So we have used than most other in place of than any other. Why? Because this sentence has one of. If there is one of, we will use than most other in place of than any other. In the second example, we notice gold is one of. It has also one of. So if there is one of, everything will remain unchanged. In the first rule, only we will use than most other in place of than any other. So the answer will be gold is more precious than most other metals. Notice again, subject, verb, comparative, then most other, then rest of the sentence. So I think if you can remember the rule, the answer will be easier. Now we will learn another rule, that is comparative to positive. If it is a comparative, then the rule will be a different one. What is the rule? The rule will be, at first we will write last subject, then we will use negative verb plus not, then as, then positive, then as, then first subject. First subject will go at last, and last subject will come at first. This is the main rule. So if it is comparative, then the rule will be last subject, then negative verb, then as, then positive, then as, then first subject. If we notice example, the point will be more clear. Number A, he is taller than you. It is comparative because in the last class I discussed how we can recognize a comparative. If there is than in any sentence, normally it is considered to be comparative. Since it has than, it is comparative. And if we want to make it into assertive, positive, we will use last subject. You is the last subject. Then negative verb plus not. Though it has is, here it will be are, because you take R after it. Then not, then as, then tall, positive form of comparative form, then as, then subject. Notice again, last subject you, negative verb are not, then as, then positive form of taller, tall, then as, then subject. Similarly, Salma is more beautiful than Nasima. Last subject Nasima. Then negative verb is not, then as, then positive beautiful, then as, then Salma. First subject. First subject will go at last, and last subject will come at the beginning of the sentence. And finally, there is another example. He is not wiser than I. You notice I have used a negative verb here. So when there will be negative verb, we cannot use not. If there is affirmative, if the sentence is affirmative, we will make it negative, and if the sentence is negative, we will make it affirmative. He is not wiser than I. Last subject I, then am, because I always take am in the present form. I am, then I am, as, then positive, wise, then as, then subject he. So the answer will be I am as wise as he. So notice the third example. It is negative. If it is negative, then it will be affirmative, and if affirmative, it will be negative. So I think the point is clear to you. You will practice it at home, and I think you will improve your English gradually. Take the help of online class, and I think online class will come to an end very quickly, and we will go to our normal classroom class from the next month. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.